This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the host, install Docker and Docker Compose, and confirm they run. Create the registry directories and generate or copy TLS certs into /opt/registry/certs. This secures traffic. Once done, write a minimal Docker Compose. YAML that uses registry, 2, mount /opt/registry/data, and maps port 5000 to container 5000. Make the compose file owned by root or your deploy user so Docker can access mounts. Now you're ready to bring the stack up. You now configure the registry runtime settings. Ensure the compose file exports registry HTTP header and points TLS vars at your cert and key. If you need authentication, create an HTPassword file and mount it, then enable basic auth in the registry config. Once configured, run Docker Compose upd and check logs with Docker Compose logs f registry. Watch for TLS handshake success and storage initialization. Make sure Docker clients trust your CA. Add the self-signed CA to their trust stores if necessary. You finish by testing. Tag a local image and push it to host 5000, then pull it from another machine to confirm end-to-end. If you use TLS, make sure clients import the CA certificate into their trust stores. Otherwise, use a secure internal CA instead of self-signed. If something goes wrong, inspect registry logs, verify port 5000 and 443 are reachable. Ensure file permissions on /opt/registry/data, allow Docker access, and confirm DNS resolves to the registry host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.